The reason why we developed this technology is for light depths of cut. Now, when we walk around here at IMTS, we're seeing a lot of innovation in 3D printing.
Yes.
Near net shape.
That's what I came to this room for, yeah.
And so what that tells us is that the market is shifting towards lighter widths and depths of cut with cutting tools, because you can 3D print a component almost to its finished size.
Oh, so you're making cutting tools to finish off the 3D printed stuff?
That's correct. Very shallow depths of cut. And so when you look at this product for a combination of square shoulder milling and facing, the depth of cut is no more than 200 thousandths, which allows you to have a true 90-degree shoulder for shouldering applications at very shallow depths of cut.
Okay,
for those
I'm
environments.
going to ask a really dumb question.
Yeah.
Explain shoulder.
Square shoulder milling is taking a product like this and producing a true 90-degree edge to a flat plane. So you have a 90-degree shoulder, and that's what these type products are designed to do. In fact, I would say shoulder mills are probably the most common in the milling industry, period, across the world. Why? Because majority of the designs are very versatile.
Okay.
Not only can they do square shoulder cuts, but they can do facing.
That makes sense, because then it's on the side of the part and it's going down. That makes total sense. Okay.
And so a lot of people want a cutter design that can actually give you a true 90-degree shoulder. Not 88 degrees, not 89, but true 90, so they don't have to go back with another tool to finish that feature.
What is, I assume then the material that they're using for 3D printing is really soft, right?
No, it's all type of materials now. That's what we're seeing. Anything from...
But you're just still going shallow because it's almost to what it should be.
Right, so think about this shape here. This was 3D printed.
Right, I've noticed the stuff is sitting in is 3D printed. That's very clever.
So let's just say this is a widget that's being manufactured for a use in the industry, right?
It looks like it's made of plastic, and then you touch it and it's
it is
definitely
plastic.
not made of plastic.
This is plastic.
It is plastic.
It is. So
it's heavy duty plastic.
Imagine this being a full component being used in industry. Let's say, for example, this component right here. This is a tool holder.
Okay.
This is machined from a piece of material, whether it's round stock or whatnot. And we've got to go in here and machine all these features. Well, with 3D printing, they're able to manufacture this near net shape to where we can go in, if this was 3D printed, and skim all these surfaces to get it to size. So the whole idea with 3D printing is to manufacture a component to near net shape without having to require a lot of machining. And that's what we're seeing. I mean, this show is proving the fact that business is growing, and it will grow even more because look what COVID did. Supply chain issues.